A lot of people don't believe you can make real money on TikTok, especially doing faceless contents. What I did, in just 22 days, I made over 117 pounds. Then I made another 89 pounds the next month. And then TikTok banned my account. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what I did, how I got monetized so fast, how I attracted US viewers from Nigeria, and how I ended up getting banned. But before we get into the video, my voice might not sound clear enough, and the reason is that I traveled and I didn't plan on shooting anything until I go back to my shooting space. So I did not carry my mic, I'm even shooting this with my phone, but I really need to share my TikTok journey with you guys, so I had to shoot this video anyway. So it all started when a friend introduced me to this whole Faceless TikTok thing. She showed me people making content without even showing their face, and they are getting monetized through the TikTok Creative Rewards program. And I was in Nigeria, but I knew most of the money was coming from countries like the UK and the US. So I created a UK TikTok account, which I can create a video specifically on how to do it. If you want, let me know in the comment section. So after creating the UK account, I then picked a niche, which I knew, which I have a little amount of information about, which is football niche. I started posting football videos every single day. No face, just clean edits, voiceover and captions. After 22 days, I got accepted into the TikTok Creativity Rewards program. I had 10,000 followers and over 100,000 videos in 22 days. I was consistent, I posted smart, I followed trends, but then something unexpected happened. Even though I was monetized, my RPM, which is basically how much I earned per 1,000 views, was super low. And why is that happening? Because most of the people watching my content were from Nigeria. And if you've been in this space, you know RPM in Nigeria is trash. You could get 1 million views and still make pennies if your viewers are coming from Nigeria. So I made a smart pivot. I started clipping and editing videos from Jumpers Jump, which is already an existing podcast that already has a strong US audience. I added my own edits. I made the videos better and added some captions, and then I reposted them on my TikTok accounts. And after doing that, I started attracting a lot of US viewers, and that is when my RPM just jumped. That's how I made $117 the first month, and then $89 the month after. So you know, dollars, pounds. It wasn't life-changing money, but for just posting videos with no fees, it was a proof that it works. But here is where it all went wrong. TikTok eventually flagged my account for impersonation because I was using Jumpers Jump clips. Even though I edited and improved them, the algorithm saw it as a reused content or impersonation, and then boom, they banned my account. Just like that, everything gone. Looking back, here is what I would do differently and what I want you to take away from this video. If you're trying to do faceless TikTok or get monetized, number one is use content you own or fully transform. Don't rely on other creators' clips unless you completely change the context. Number two is your RPM depends on your viewers' country. If most of your viewers are from low RPM regions like Philippines and Nigeria, you won't earn much. Number three is faceless content works, but it has to be original or extremely unique. Number four, getting monetized fast is possible. 22 days, just 22 days, that's all it took me. So yeah, I lost the account, but the lesson, I know it works. I've done it, and I'll do it again. This time, the smart way. So if you are someone trying to grow on TikTok or you are thinking of starting a faceless content, drop a comment, ask me anything, I'll reply. And if you want to see how I build my next account from scratch, subscribe, I'll show you everything. This time, the smart way.